Hello YouTube, for my first Bakugan unboxing, I am going to be unboxing the Bakugan Battle Pack with Chaos Serpentes and Ventus Howl Core. And this is the new remake of Bakugan. It's called Bakugan Battle Planet. And on the front you can see Dan, who's the main character. And then you flip over to the back and it tells you what you all get. So in this you get, like I said, Chaos Serpentes and Ventus Howl Core, which are your two Bakugan Ultras. You get 3 plain Bakugan, and then 10 Baku cores, 5 ability cards, and then 5 characters cards, and I believe you get 10 Baku hexes, or cores. So, let's hop right into this. I did take the tape off so that I could get into it a little bit easier. So, let's pop this open. So, as you see, you get a bunch of cardboard, of course. And you see your Chaos Serpentes and Maxitor, Ventus. Let's try to pop these guys open. So, here's the Chaos Serpentes, who is normally Pyrus. I really do like the Chaos coloring on it with the white and the light teal almost. And with the Bakugan Ultras, they put a lot of detail, so like you can close his jaw and the feet move and everything else. It's very nice to see that they're putting a lot of work into these. So there. Then the Ventus Howl Core. 3-headed dog. He's the Bakugan of Lightning in the TV show, but he's darkest normally. I really do kind of like the darker green than what used to be in the old Bakugan series, where it was like super light teal green almost. But yeah, 3-headed dog is pretty cool actually for me. I really like it, and so I'm hoping I can hopefully later on find a darkest one. And then we'll pop out the rest. Okay. So, the Pyrus Bakugan. I do like the red and the orange now for the Pyrus Bakugan, but I kind of preferred the darker one in the old series. So there's that. And then for the hourless Bakugan, here's Hydrus. Or, my bad, this is Hydrus. This is Neleus. The 2 snake heads is really cool. The wings are kind of nice. I like it. And then for the darkest Bakugan, we have a Darkest Trox, who is Winton's Bakugan. I do like about Trox is how they put in his little claws. Since he is a T-Rex, it's really cool and a nice attention to detail. And then for the cards you get, and then you get a guide to fold your 2 Bakugan. You get Pyrus Hydrus, who has 400 B power and does 3 damage. Ventus Power, Ventus Howl Coral Ultra's card with 500 B power. Aurelus Nilius, which is 500 B power, 5 damage. Then Darkest Trox with 700 B power and 1 damage. Then you get Serpentine Ultra Chaos, 500 B power, 1 damage, and then plus 4 damage if you land on a shield. Chaotic Darkness, Cease Serenity, Fire Boost, and then Bouncing or Beaming Blaster. It's really hard to read the white on white. And then for the Baku cores, got -3 damage, plus 5 damage, plus 100 B, plus 150 B, plus 300 B, and then plus 400 for Pyrus and Darkest. And then the ones attached to the Bakugan, -200 B, plus 600 B, and then plus Shadow Strike. Thank you, YouTube. Please keep watching my videos. I love all the responses and everything else, so keep on commenting, guys. Have a great rest of your day.